Hey, I have a very important quick tip for you when you're painting trim on top of wood floors. I think most people's first instinct would be to tape the floor, and that's fine. Only if you're going to use your tape as a spatter shield. You cannot trust the tape to protect from the bleed. Now, I'm going to tape a little section of it, just to show you. Okay, you can get your tape up in here, but there's a little cavity up in here that paint can get sucked into and can loop behind the tape. So you're going to want to treat this like it's actually not even taped. Get your brush loaded up, and you run it, and you run it just above. You got a heavier line of paint right here. Now I'm going to focus on watching just the tip of my bristle right here. I'm going to grab some of that paint, and I am going to run it. Okay. I'm painting these walls later. I prefer to paint the base first and tape the top lip. I know a lot of painters like to paint the base last and not use tape, and that's fine, whatever technique that you feel comfortable with. That's the way I like to do it. I think the taped edge leaves a very nice crisp line there. And hey, good luck on your project. And remember, don't trust the tape on the wood floor. You'll thank me.